Two new features in AutoCAD LT 2011 enable you to quickly create or select objects based on the properties of an existing object. When you select an object and right-click, you'll find Add Selected and Select Similar in the shortcut menu. Add Selected uses the properties of the selected object to create a new object with the same properties. For example, the current layer in this drawing is 0, which is white with a continuous line type. This circle is on the center layer, which has a different color and line type. If I launch the circle command from the ribbon, it uses the properties of the current layer. But if I select the first circle, right-click, and choose Add Selected, the new circle has the same color, layer, and line type as the first circle. The Select Similar tool enables you to select an object and create a new selection set consisting of all objects of the same type and with the same properties. For example, if I select this line, right-click, and choose Select Similar, all lines on that layer are selected. You can also use Select Similar with more than one object. If I select two circles on different layers and use Select Similar, my selection set consists of all circles on both layers. If I select a circle and a line, my selection set consists of all the circles on the same layer as the selected circle and all lines on the same layer as the selected line. If you enter Select Similar at the command line, you can access the Settings dialog, where you can control which object properties are used to create the new selection set. By default, Layer and Name are checked, which means objects only have to share a layer and type to be included in the selection set. If, for example, you check Line Type as well, objects must also have the same line type as the selected object in order to be added to the selection set. Another way to gain control over object selection is with selection cycling. You can turn selection cycling on by clicking on its icon in the status bar. Then, when you left-click in a crowded area of a drawing, a window appears that displays a list of all the nearby or overlapping objects. As you pass your cursor over objects in the list, the associated object in the drawing is highlighted. To select an object, left-click on an item in the list.